Private Louis J. Freudenberg, reported killed in action October 16th, was a member of Company M, 309th U.S. Infantry. He entered the service April 4th last and went overseas May 19th. He was 24 years old and was born in Hoboken, but his family moved to 63rd Concord Street, Jersey City 20 years ago. Private Freudenberg graduated from Public School No. 6, Jersey City. At the time he joined the colors, he had a responsible position with Butler Brothers, Jersey City. The young hero is survived by his parents Max and Eloise Freudenberg, 3 sisters Ada, Clara, and Grace, and by 4 brothers, Arthur, Eugene, Ralph, and Richard, the last name being in the service at Camp Meade,